Okay, kids, now life is going to get a bit more difficult because now to understand climate and weather, we have to add a bit of calculations or at least ways to think about doing calculations of the energy coming from the sun. When the sun is up, you can see the light, so it's coming in so-called wavelengths. If you don't know what that is, don't worry about it. That means it's coming in a certain band of light, and at night you cannot see, so that's a different band of light, right? So sun is coming in with its energy during the day locally and is called shortwave radiation, and at night and at day energy that is coming from the sun is heating everything. That energy is going out. The energy that comes in has to go out because it's like eating. If you keep on eating and don't get rid of it, you will keep growing fatter and fatter. So the tropics are warmer and the higher latitudes and poles are colder, but they don't keep getting colder at the poles, and we don't keep getting warmer at low latitudes in the tropics because energy is moving around. So we have to imagine how the energy moves. Obviously, there are winds that move the energy. There are clouds that move the energy. How do they do it? Basically, you are evaporating water from the oceans and land and lakes and so on, and you are lifting it into the atmosphere, and you are expanding the air, cooling the air, condensing it, and forming clouds. And clouds can move. So, energy that was picked up from the ocean while evaporation happens is being moved in the atmosphere, and when it rains, that energy is released. Remember from your lectures, schools, classes, books, you remember latent heat of evaporation and latent heat of condensation. So these are the ways in which we move energy, and hence we get weather. And when you average weather over the season or the years and many years, you get climate, which is how things vary, as we talked about last time. December will be colder than the summer in the northern hemisphere because sun has gone south, so the energy balance has a seasonality. Okay, listen to the podcast and ask questions of me or your parents and let me know if this is clear. Okay, kids, have fun.